Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a battery-powered LED light strip, red, green, and blue. This is a 2-pack, as you can see. The company is named DMEIXS. Now these use LEDs SMD type 5050. That's referring to the LEDs that are on this silicone reel. These will work between minus 20 degrees centigrade up to 45 degrees centigrade. So they have a nice wide temperature range. You can use them outdoors. The battery and switch is not waterproof, or the connector, but the whole LED array is waterproof. It is IP65 waterproof with all sealed LED and electronics. Now it has a backing on there, so you could stick these on walls or any surface made by 3M, and it can be cut every 3 LEDs. We're going to show that. Each one has its own separate 17-key remote, and these remotes are unique because they're not infrared anymore. These are actually radio frequencies. So 360 degrees, you don't have to point this at any sensor anymore. Now it includes a 3 AA holder and a power switch. And you can see how it's configured, really simple. That plugs right into there. Now on the LED array, it has a plug, and this plug can go either way, but it only works one direction. There is a little red arrow right there and a little matching arrow right there. It's hard to see in the camera. Just make sure those line up correctly. The remote has a plastic little sleeve. I colored it blue right there. Make sure you pull that out when you're going to be using these, so that the battery is enabled. Now let's take a look at the actual LEDs themselves. One of them here. Let's take this tape off. So you can see that it is a strip, and you can cut this on the other end to shorten it if you'd like. It's up to you. And there's basically, you can cut it right here along this little section right there, the copper, if you need to shorten it. Now you notice on the back of here, it has the 3M tape, and it even says 3M on there. And then behind that is a very, very sticky glue and a padding. See right there? So that's how you're going to put them in place. And these generally hold really well. So each one of these strips is 6.56 feet or 2 meters in length. So you have 2 of those there. Now we're going to show how to power this up with the batteries. And we're going to give these a try. So I have 3 AA batteries right here. And on the opposite side of the switch, you just slide this back, and you can see you got springs and little other contacts right there. Spring is for the negative, just like you'd expect. That's an industry standard, just like that. And we're going to then close this back up, slide it like that, and it closes up like that. We're going to put the other one in and test it then. So now we have the batteries in both of these, and I have the switches turned on. Now each one of these remotes will control the lights. You can see the power shuts it on and off right there. The remote will work up to 49 feet range. So if you want to use a remote for each one of these, just separate them 49 feet and you'll be able to control each one individually. But right now they're so close, they're working with the one remote. So we're going to just shut out the studio lights here and give this a try. So here you get an idea of how nice they look. So there is a demo mode, so I'm just running the demo mode right there. And you have a speed control, you can go faster, slower. You have all these different modes. There's where you can see it slowly dimming to the next mode. Then you have a mode where it's a little bit quicker. You have color changes. You have color choices right here. Solid reds, purple, blue, orange, yellow. Look how beautiful that is. You even have white. They've included white also. You have a brightness control right there, so I can dim it down. I'm sorry, that was a color button right there. You have brightness plus and brightness minus. So here you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. And again, you've got color control here, speed control, demo modes, just a lot of things you can do. And you can just pick the mode you want also right here. So there's a lot of flexibility in this controller, and just pick whatever you like for your event. You've got so many different choices right here that you can't go wrong. So what do I think about the AA battery powered LED light strips, red, green, and blue, with the 17 key remotes and the 2-pack you see in front of you from DMEIXS. I think this is a great value. They're inexpensive, and you could use them. You could use them Halloween, Christmas. You could use them to decorate for a wedding, wherever you want to have a portable, nice light array that's controllable. For weddings, this is actually ideal because you don't have access to power sometimes. So now you can just use the battery for the duration of the wedding. This will probably last for 5 or 6 hours easily, maybe even more. So it's perfect for that. But any application where you want to put and have some lights that give a nice touch to your event, this is perfect for that. I like this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.